In this video, we're going to take our Python GUI skills to the next level by learning how to organize our interface using tabs and groups in DearPyGui. Let's start with tabs. Tabs are perfect when you have multiple sections of content but want to keep them in a single window without overwhelming the user. We'll create a tab bar, and inside it, we'll add two tabs, tab 1 and tab 2. Each tab will have its own text content, and users will be able to switch between them instantly. This is a great way to separate different categories, settings, or tools in your app. Next, we'll explore groups. Groups allow us to combine several widgets together so they act like a single block. In this example, we'll create a group containing 2 buttons. Grouping widgets helps keep your layout consistent and makes it easier to control the spacing and alignment. By combining tabs and groups, you can design GUIs that are clean, organized, and user-friendly. These features are especially useful for apps that need structured navigation and clear organization. So, let's code together and make our interface more professional with tabs and groups in DearPyGui.